Hello. Captured bead jewelry is the process of locking 4 jump rings around a bead. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this yourself, and I also implore you to check out my Etsy store to get some inspiration or to place an order. Thank you.
You're going to want to grab these 2 bottom jump rings and let one of those top rings fall to the one side and the other fall to the other side, just like this. And then you're going to open up the middle ring and then open up this other ring. So I kind of use my pliers to position everything perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our beads and we're going to place it right in there, right there. And this is really tricky to get a hang of, so just hold on to it, keep everything in place, lower this open ring, pull up this side, and then pull up that side. You know, we're putting this ring through both of those, and then we're gonna close it, and I'm closing it with my finger. Please use your pliers. Use those pliers. So that is how you capture a bead. This is captured bead jewelry. So you can see 2 jump rings, 2 jump rings, and then I will continue the pattern. So I'll do it again. We'll show you how to continue it on. Putting another ring on there. Closing that up. I will grab both with my pliers like that. Then I hold. There's more to hold now, which is nice. Starting off is a little tricky because there's not as much to hold, but now we have an actual base. So I can grab that, keep those 2 together, put an open jump ring on there and close that up. Jump ring, gotcha. Another one, same exact thing. We're just putting that on there. Securing that. All right, and then I'll grab both of those. And this part, what I'm doing is I'm aligning my both of my pointer finger to those 2 jump rings right there, and my thumb to those other 2 jump rings on the other side, just like that. And I'm squeezing. I'm actually squeezing a sizable amount to keep everything in place. Then I'm just gonna use, you know, my pliers. You don't have to use your pliers if you feel comfortable using, you know, your finger. Obviously, that's totally fine. You can use your fingernail to separate out those both. Let's grab our bead. Let's put our bead into the center there. And let's grab a jump ring and just pull and pull. Tug, yeah. And that's how you do it. And honestly, you just keep doing that over and over and finish it off when it's as long as you want with a small jump ring. It's really simple. It just takes a lot of time, and it's painful if you use your finger. So don't do that or you'll get this. Don't do that. I just don't care. Okay.